Oh, wait till you see this. You may want to do it over here, so.
No, that's fine.
Okay, go ahead. Help him, Justin.
Come on. Ready? Oh, look at what it is. Do you guys know what that is? Look.
Oh, boy.
Now you get to play basketball.
Wow. Now watch him. Look at that.
Go ahead. Put it in.
Throw it.
Come
throw
on.
It, throw it.
Come on. Put it in. All right. Woohoo! I know.
I'll have Gavin do it.
Come on.
He knows about
Put it in. All right. Yay. Now here's the neat thing.
Okay, where's
Oh.
the second ball?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize that. But look though, it has a latch and a lever, and it'll raise.
Aw.
Yay!
Take
The,
turns.
Sitting at the bar,
oh.
taking
What?
pot shots, the boys.
Yep. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Now,
Come on. Get closer.
Put it in there.
Come on.
Throw it. Put the ball in there. Yeah.
Go ahead. Up here. Come on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Put the ball.
He has to verify things a lot.
Put it up. Oh, close. One more time. Come on. Yep, up.